Now, I know. Geometry frightens the heck out of you. Now, you go, well, if I don't know the formulas, I can't do this. Right? Okay, now, I think you do know the formulas. Okay? If you understand this word. What does that word mean? Distance around. If you were to walk starting in this corner behind me, and you were to walk the perimeter of the room, you would walk around the room. A length, a width, a length, and a width. And how far would you walk? You just add the four sides together, right? If we understand what this word means. Distance around. Isn't that what the word means? It's not just a formula. In itself, that word has meaning. So, I have a triangle. You have one side, one side, one side. And the sides are 2z, 3z, and 5z. Okay? And you're going to walk the what? Perimeter. So if I walk from here to here, how far have I walked? 2z. If I walk from here to here, how far have I walked? If I walk from here to here, how far have I walked? Isn't the idea, right? Not formula. The idea of perimeter is walking around. And are these like terms? Can I add them? What do I get? 10z. I didn't say length times width, or 1/2 base times height, or side plus side plus side. I thought and understood what the word perimeter meant, right? So don't worry that much about formulas. Think more about meaning. Formulas are method. And I'm trying to teach you meaning. Now, for those of you that are bored stiff with my lessons, I know what you're doing. You're looking at the ceiling going, I wonder how many tiles there are. Because he is so boring, I'm not going to I'd rather count the tiles. And then you go, oh, I know a secret. You count the tiles in one direction, you count the tiles in the other direction, and what do you do with those two numbers to get the number of tiles altogether? You multiply them, don't you? You know that. Isn't that area for a rectangle? Length times width. But you figure, I have to memorize length times width. No, you don't. Just know what to do when you're looking at the tiles. And so, area, only for a rectangle though, that's the easiest one, is length times width. Aren't the sides of a rectangle length times width? Pick one of these sides for the length. What do you want to say the length is? 5. Okay, good. What do you want to say the width is?
2.
The other side, 2x what? Minus 7. Okay? How do I multiply these? That's right. What do I get? 10x minus 35. Now, for examples 8 and 9, I can't count. For examples 9 and 10, what did the A students say I forgot to write? Meters for 10 and feet for 9. Good A students.